Thanks to this automatic refueling robot, filling up will become even quicker and more convenient. With automatic parking, you don't have to look for your car because it will do it for you. The I/O multi-wheeler can bring you the fun of rollerblading and cycling at the same time. Look at how easily this cargo drone transports a 2-ton vehicle. This smart bag is about the size of a credit card when folded, but when opened, it can hold up to 5 gallons, weighing up to 50 pounds. Parallel parking is no longer a problem with these all-way drive wheels that can go any direction and turn on the spot thanks to motorized spin rollers. And these wheels can turn a military vehicle into a tracked vehicle in just 2 seconds. This rolling bridge can be folded into a sculpture if necessary to let boats pass through. With these robotic walkers, there's no need to demolish a building anymore because it can simply be moved to another location. Even if this table had the best food in the world on it, no one would notice it because they'd be too fascinated by the fact that it walks. And the perfect addition to this table would be a walking bike. This snake robot can get the job done in the hardest to reach places, even if you have to get something deep underwater or in a nuclear reactor. This ergonomic lift allows you to get into a horizontal position with a single motion, making your work much more productive, and your back will thank you for it. And with this device, you can sit anywhere, even without a chair, because it's a chairless chair. This portable helmet transforms and fits anywhere, and its convenience doesn't compromise its safety. Now, check out these high-mobility shoes that allow you to walk at a running pace. You don't need a partner to improve your table tennis skills, because this robot can do it. With this surfing trainer, you can learn how to surf without even leaving your home. If you find mowing the lawn to be a boring chore, then this motorcycle lawnmower is sure to get you back into it. This light-up rotating device can display an emergency signal of your choosing in the worst visibility conditions. There's a firefighter robot that can find people and rescue them from a burning building, even if they're unconscious. How about an underground refrigerator that doesn't even require electricity? And in a split second, this boat turns into a motorcycle that can travel through mud as easily as water. Now, check out this jet-powered motorcycle with unique hubless wheels. Just look at this enormous bike that weighs 1,900 pounds. Imagine how cool it would be to drive an electric car and never have to charge it. Well, you don't have to imagine anymore, because this road can charge vehicles on the go. This invention is definitely the future. And for fans of driving on snowy roads, somebody came up with something cooler than winter tires. This is the world's first electric off-road skateboard, and with this cross-country ability, it makes everywhere a skate park. With this smart tinting glass, you can give yourself some privacy at any time and get away from the world while sitting in your car. And here's a really portable mouse that takes up virtually zero space and unfolds like paper origami. With this smart cover, your car will be protected from bad weather, extreme temperatures, and even theft. This invention will definitely be appreciated by people who don't like bugs and may even become an integral part of their lives. This invention has limitless potential and can be used in assistive wearable devices, rehabilitation technologies, and even robotics. Here's the world's largest all-terrain robot hexapod, and it can be controlled by a pilot or remotely. The potential of this vacuum former makes you want to start your own production line immediately. And the simplicity and genius of this spiral conveyor is simply amazing. Take a look at the capabilities of the trailer deck gun, which can spray up to 9,000 gallons per minute. This unique automated stovetop cooker will make dinner for you. These glasses with special lenses increase your field of vision and even allow you to see behind you. I bet if you saw this multifunctional conference hall with transformable seats, stages, and even walls, you wouldn't miss a single event there. This wheelchair knows no bounds because it can go anywhere and help you reach anything. And this board will turn any rough terrain into a smooth ride. The firefighter drone is the next level in combating fires. With these Reaper wheels, it's impossible to get stuck in the mud. With this airless wheel technology, you never have to worry about getting a flat. Now, check out this airplane bike with wings. In less than 5 minutes, this magical foldable container can transform into a home. And this innovative material with a unique molecular structure is the lightest and most flexible protective agent. Thanks to an ingenious invention made from bamboo and powered by wind energy, large areas can be cleared of landmines, thereby saving human lives.
When it comes to emergency stops, this barrier is second to none. Like this video if you thought this would make a cool Fast and Furious Scene 2. Say goodbye to being late, because now you can roll up to any spot in no time with your inflatable scooter in a backpack. This robot is the definition of zero limits. It simply cannot be stopped, no doubt about it. Guys, believe it or not, but we live in a mind-blowing world where delivery takes just 30 seconds. Relaxing at work is easy when you have the chairless chair in your arsenal. This is a total game changer that makes driving safer and much more comfortable. Get ready for the ultimate mouse that will revolutionize the way you work. This mode of transportation looks like something out of Hogwarts. Well, either that or a retro tractor. Tell us what you think in the comments. You don't have to waste precious time parking anymore. A smart robot will do it for you. With an AI-powered shepherd dog, not a single sheep will be lost. Just wait. In a couple more years, we'll be strolling across the water like it's nothing. This Ford seat is straight fire. With such a powerful washing station, germs just don't stand a chance. Prepare to have your mind completely blown by the world's first virtual reality laptop. This massive mech suit may seem like a prop from a sci-fi flick, but it's actually a legit robot that makes a person 50 times stronger. I love how this thing changes shape and becomes a piece of creative furniture in your home. Take a look at the huge tracks on this vehicle that allow it to move at speeds of over 37 kilometers per hour. Take a look at this unique way to get around that provides a smooth gliding ride. Witness the sheer power of the Skywall cannon for accurately targeting and neutralizing drones. This small but powerful pusher can easily move vehicles weighing up to 9 tons. No more mess guaranteed. Just pure sound when this state-of-the-art technology takes on the task of cleaning your ears. The Urban Circus needs just 0.08 seconds to protect you from a fall. Admit it, a jetpack is the first thing you'd want to try out yourself, isn't it? Stay cozy even in Alaska. This extreme shelter's innovative pockets collect snow for insulation, while the inner lining retains body heat. For just $15 a year, Japanese citizens can store their bikes to save space in their garage. Wow, this is an incredible fan-based magic that creates stunning 3D holograms. Elevate yourself to superhero status with boots that allow you to overcome human limitations with every step. You're looking at a one-stop solution for all your agricultural needs. It's really mind-blowing. This solar panel is equipped with solar tracking technology, resulting in 40% more energy output. A whopping 4 city transformer cars can fit in the space typically taken up by a single vehicle. This guy would fit in perfectly in a modern ballet. The powerful air core turbine is guaranteed to put out fires with significantly less water consumption. This machine is undoubtedly fearless when it comes to extreme off-roading. Thanks to self-planting seeds, sowing hard-to-reach places and reforestation after fires is now a possibility. Conquer snowy terrain by easily converting your old bike into a snowmobile with the S-Track Snow Bike Conversion Kit. Only a true genius could fit an umbrella in a backpack, making it a game-changer for a hands-free convenience. Wow, it only takes a couple of seconds to set up an entire rice plantation. Check out the most effective electric toothbrush ever. Finally, your best friend doesn't have to sleep on the floor anymore when they come to visit you. Dynamic shape display technology allows users to interact with digital information in a tactile way. Exploring the world from the comfort of your favorite recliner? Totally doable. Fall asleep anywhere with this ridiculously comfortable pillow. Even the most impeccable ironing skills can't compete with this ironing cabinet. Prepare to be amazed by a wonder of technology, the world's first underwater jetpack. Check out this cool 6-legged robot crab designed to patrol the coast from the seafloor. Improve your health in the city with responsive cushioning in your shoes. Attention students, this robot will become your best friend when it writes all your notes in your handwriting. Swim as fast as an amphibian with these effective silicone membranes. You'll forget that this incredible backpack in motion is even on your shoulders. Your working day will end almost as soon as it begins when your partner can cruise at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. Magnetic robotic instruments have revolutionized surgery by easily maneuvering through narrow catheters and expanding inside the body for precise procedures. This is truly an indispensable armchair for people with reduced mobility because it frees up their hands for more independence. This stylish transparent dressing room will never not make you blush. Check out this powerful water jet system designed to protect against pirates. Oh wow! The mirror fire starting technique has finally been patented. Marvel at this astonishing 17-ton Titan. And this invention will resonate with those of you who are always in need of some extra fingers. When you roller skate with an electric conveyor belt, the wind is always at your back. The speed of this maneuverable buoy is sure to make every rescue a success. No time for shopping? Say hello to the future with a robotic store at your command. Just imagine, these powerful buoys use the power of ocean waves to provide energy for the entire city. Get inspired by the opportunity to maximize your living space in a redesigned home trailer. With the power of laser technology, walls can be effortlessly transformed to look brand new in an instant. I am absolutely thrilled by this one-of-a-kind racing track with pedal-powered aerodynamic pods. Raking has never been so efficient. Check out this irreplaceable all-terrain beast. I swear this is the most ingenious watering invention ever. Get ready to experience something truly astonishing. Do you find this transportation of the future as mind-blowing as I do? 8 years of development was worth it because these ingenious pendulum wheels make it easy to overcome any terrain. Introducing a durable titanium fan designed to not only cool you off, but also serve as a tool for self-defense. Take a look at this ingenious lighting solution to give buses priority on the roads. This autonomous robot takes cleaning to a whole new level. A thermoregulating blanket that magically makes your bed? That's my dream. This wheelchair is an absolute game changer. Witness how this house triples in size in a matter of seconds. Isn't that an awe-inspiring breakthrough? Never be late again with this mobile electric bike. Get ready for a carefree walk with this revolutionary leash that picks up doggy surprises and lights your way. Enjoy diving up to 100 meters into the underwater world, all thanks to the Nemo U-Boat Works. This revolutionary material will leave you totally speechless. No matter where you leave them, the self-parking slippers at this hotel will always find their designated parking spot. Welding in the most inaccessible places is made possible thanks to this incredible snake arm robot. Get ready for an innovative solution to global water pollution. A road closure has never been so fast and efficient. Introducing Elide, an extraordinary firefighting sphere that guarantees maximum efficiency. As a bonus, it also serves as a one-of-a-kind home decoration. Turn your skin into a touch screen with the secret wristband. Just stick on these hypoallergenic adhesive pads and feel free to walk around anywhere barefoot. Thanks to this state-of-the-art platform, landing and towing a helicopter has never been easier. You won't believe your eyes when you see this groundbreaking drone that can effortlessly lift objects up to 10 kilograms and even toss a life-saving buoy your way. With this flatbed loader, you can transport massive loads weighing several dozen tons. Say goodbye to traffic jams. I've never wanted a sweatshirt so badly until I stumbled across this one. Tell us in the comments if you want one of these in your wardrobe too. While you've been watching futuristic movies about flying cars, this device suddenly became a reality. Insanely awesome. Meet the smallest and most effective water rescue device ever created. Instantly protect your car from hail with this incredible inflatable cover. Check out these self-tinting windows. It really looks like magic. Ensuring perfect quality and smooth grain transfer. That's what this little guy is here for. Thanks to its unique design, this sailboat literally soars above the water to speeds of 20 meters every 1.2 seconds. Stunning. A portable fan, a handy lamp, and a charger all rolled into one. There's nothing cooler. This spider robot seems to have escaped from a science fiction movie into the real world. Incredible! This mannequin effortlessly transforms to fit your exact measurements. Prepare for the ride of your life with these incredible rollerblades. This Soundwave fire extinguishing system is just perfect. Meanwhile, this metal guy uses traditional firefighting methods, but in places where humans simply can't go. Take charge of all your smart devices with the incredible Fin Ring. Enjoy the power and incredible view of the world's largest SUV. Working in an exoskeleton guarantees its owner half the effort with the same results. When it comes to emergencies, time is of the essence, and this mobile bridge is the ultimate lifesaver. This is the most ingenious example of making proper use of space. Prepare to have your mind blown by this humble t-shirt, because it takes anatomy lessons to a whole new level.
T-shirt. There we go. So that little jaunt, I can feel that. I mean,
Observe this incredible vacuum-induced plate that can shorten your braking distance by as much as 40%. Believe me, traffic offenders won't be getting away from this one. Could a person make cement smoother than this? Not a chance. Holy web-slinging goodness! I need to get my hands on that web shooter ASAP. These extraordinary wind-powered sculptures will leave you in awe like never before. Meet your new adorable dog that never feels lonely while you're away, because you can pause its awareness. This belt magically transforms into a scooter. Pretty cool, right? The OB robot makes arm disabilities a thing of the past. Much respect to the genius who created this epic deep sea wave. Now this is something I understand, a smart home. Anyone who has ever fallen on ice will appreciate this invention. Without a doubt, this is the biggest bike you've ever seen. Believe it or not, this turbine alone can generate enough energy to power 120 homes. It's truly amazing. CPR has reached an unprecedented level, allowing rescue operations to be carried out even on the move. Step into the future with a wireless ergonomic keyboard. Check out this game-changing jetpack that will revolutionize the world of skiing. The GuardBot searches for explosives and can even detect them in the water. Imagine having gills for a full 45 minutes with this innovative diving snorkel. Take a look at this mechanism that independently transports hundreds of packages per minute. Check out this edible water bubble that instantly quenches your thirst and can replace all the plastic bottles in the world. Perfect your penalty kicks right from your smartphone. The most innovative and effective way to stop flooding. It may look unconventional, but boy, does it pack a workout. Aside from its compact convenience, this monobike offers another feature, the undeniable cool factor when you ride it. Experience the world's best foot massage from the comfort of your own couch.